Hi, this is Deborah Levinsky with Phoenix Pilates and Rossiter Center, and I decided to make a quick little tutorial video on how I did a quick vinyl covering for my foot straps and my handles for my reformer, my Cadillac springs. So first what I did is I ordered off of Amazon, and I can put a link in here, this marine vinyl. So it's a fabric. It's a really pretty blue, not necessarily the color I wanted, but it was 1.5 feet by 54 inches. So I really bought it because it had the yardage I was looking for. I also bought on Amazon a package. These are like Velcro. So you have one side that is the fabric, the little fabric loops, and then you have one side that has the little grippers. So they have sticky tape on the reverse side. And what I did was, of course, I measured and had a trial run first, and I made like two different styles. So using the single loop balance body canvas loops, I'll show you what I did. I'm going to just take it off of here. This is what it looks like covered. And so basically on one of them, I cut a strip. So if you can see, here's the length of the loop. So I cut a strip that would go all the way around. And this one I admitted I didn't really make wide enough. But what I did is I put one strip of Velcro. So this is with the fuzzy side, and this side is with the gripper. And then I pressed the ends together. So there's really only like maybe 1/8 of an inch, not very much, holding it together. And then I just fed the loop. If you can see what I'm doing here. It's good Velcro, it really sticks. So I just fed the loop through it like that, and then folded over the vinyl, and then I want to tuck the loop all the way in, and then it seals up. It's not, I didn't do a really careful job right now because I'm doing this fast. So the beauty of it is that you can just spray the outside with any of your cleaning solutions. Granted, I am not covering up this end where the D-ring is. So that is just something, if you wanted to cut an extra strip of fabric to go around, you could. The other nice thing is it comes off, it's not permanent. The second version that I did, now this one it's the same size loop. It's the balance body single canvas loop. And this one, what I did was, it's on pretty well. Let's see if I can get this off. So this one I made wider and kind of folded over. This isn't going anywhere. Okay. All right, so I'm getting the hang of it now. I'm only going to take part of it off to show you. You'll be able to see. Same idea. The length is, so basically what you would do is measure from, say, here to the bottom and double it. So that would be, that would be your first step. And then this one I made wider than the first one. And what I ended up doing was I put the soft fabric loop side on the edge of the inside of the vinyl, and then I did the grippers on the outside. So what happens now is when I put it on the loop, so I have the loop is, I don't know how great you can see this, so you can see it folds over. So I can have the part that's on the dark blue side here folds in, and I get that nice and tight. And then this part, the fabric side here, I fold it on top, and then work out any of the little lumps and bumps. So this one's on really, really good. Same thing, I mean, if I don't have this area covered, I'm not sure if other people have tackled that. Then, so I have like the good feet ones, you could do, you know, the same thing on here. The double loops, that would be a little bit different project, and I don't have any of those, but I would imagine you could just do, you know, one for the small loop and one for the outer loop. So it'll take a little bit more of the fabric. Then for the triangle handles, I just did pretty much the same thing. This time though, the tape is pretty wide, so I cut the tape. I just cut it in half. And I measured out, here's my little piece. I like the second method that I used where I have the fabric side on one and the grippy loops on the other. And then on this, let's see, I just fold it over the same way. Just like that, and then press it to seal. So this is the same Velcro tape that has the sticky part. And I did the same thing here for the neoprene handle. And it does roll around. What I did on this is I extended out the size so there isn't that much of the canvas sticking out. You still have the tab here that is not covered. So when you go to clean this, you know, you might get some of the cleaning solution on it. I believe you can wash these handles. I've washed the fabric foot loops and I usually put them in like a lingerie mesh bag, mainly because I don't want these metal rings banging around inside my washer, and then I let them air dry. So you could do the same thing, I'm sure, with these little handles. They could be washed. So that is my quick little tutorial here. I have tons left. I did not need all of that vinyl, and I have lots of the Velcro left too. So depending on how many you have to make, you know, like, you should judge accordingly when you're ordering. But I just wanted to get something that was, you know, pretty easy to start off with, and have fun with your little project. So now that we've all graduated from making masks, now we can graduate to opening our studios and keeping our clients safe. Anyway, Deborah Levinsky, Phoenix Pilates and Rossiter Center. Have a great day. Bye.